Amazon is hiding some of the coolest gadgets you've probably never seen, and once you do, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll definitely have a new item on your wish list. Before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which gadget you're grabbing first. GravaStar Mars Pro. This doesn't look like a Bluetooth speaker. It looks like a futuristic robot straight out of a sci-fi movie. But the GravaStar Mars Pro is much more than an eye-catching design. It delivers surprisingly powerful, room-filling sound with deep bass and crystal-clear audio that makes every playlist come alive. The built-in RGB lighting adds an incredible visual effect, turning your desk or gaming setup into an instant showpiece. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or gaming, this speaker grabs attention before you even press play. And once it starts, it's even harder to ignore. Carmy. What if your keychain could predict your day with just one shake? Meet Carmy, the tiny gadget that's way more entertaining than it looks. Give it a shake, and it'll instantly reveal a daily fortune, lucky number, tarot-style reading, or a fun prediction that keeps you guessing. Whether you're into astrology or just want something unique to spark conversations, Carmy delivers a fresh surprise every single day. It's compact enough to carry anywhere, making boring moments a lot more fun. Once your friends see it in action, don't be surprised if they immediately ask where you got it. darkFlash. IPS Display. Think your gaming PC already looks impressive? Wait until you add the darkFlash IPS Display. This compact screen mounts right inside your PC case and turns your setup into something that looks straight out of the future. It can display real-time CPU and GPU temperatures, RAM usage, fan speeds, weather updates, clocks, and even custom animations or GIFs. It's not just about looking cool, it also lets you monitor your system at a glance while gaming or editing. If you want your PC to stand out from every other setup online, this is the upgrade you've been missing. Electric screwdriver. Still wasting time with a manual screwdriver? It's time for a serious upgrade. This electric screwdriver takes the hassle out of repairs with adjustable Torque settings, multiple speed modes, and a built-in LED light that makes working in tight spaces effortless. Whether you're assembling furniture, repairing electronics, or tackling DIY projects, it delivers precision with far less effort. The compact, rechargeable design fits comfortably in your hand, making every job faster and smoother. Once you switch to this smart tool, you'll wonder why you ever struggled with a traditional screwdriver in the first place. Nixie Tube Clock. At first glance, it looks like a vintage clock pulled straight from the past. But don't let that fool you. The Nixie Tube Clock blends retro charm with modern technology to create one of the coolest desk gadgets you'll ever own. It features glowing Nixie-style tubes, customizable RGB lighting, automatic Wi-Fi time synchronization, weather updates, and even the ability to display your favorite photos. Whether it's sitting on your office desk or gaming setup, it instantly becomes the center of attention. It's more than just a clock. It's a conversation piece that gives your workspace a premium, futuristic vibe. 3-in-1 Laser Measuring Tool. Forget everything you know about old-school tape measures. The 3-in-1 Laser Measuring Tool gives you fast, highly accurate measurements with the press of a button, saving time on every project. But that's not all. It also works as a digital level and angle finder, making it perfect for everything from hanging shelves to home renovations. The bright digital display is easy to read, and its compact design fits right in your pocket. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, this smart tool takes the guesswork out of every measurement and delivers precision every time. UltraBar X. Your desk is about to get a serious upgrade. The UltraBar X transforms an ordinary workspace into a futuristic command center with one sleek device. Its smart touchscreen gives you instant access to customizable shortcuts, app controls, and productivity tools, while magnetic modules let you personalize your setup however you like. You can launch apps, control smart home devices, adjust media, and automate everyday tasks with just a tap. Whether you're a creator, gamer, or remote worker, the UltraBar X helps you work faster while making your desk look like it's years ahead of everyone else's. TerraMow XAWD AI Robot Lawn Mower. What if you never had to mow your lawn again? The TerraMow XAWD is an AI-powered robot mower that does all the hard work while you sit back and relax. Using advanced cameras and intelligent mapping, it learns your yard, avoids obstacles, and even handles steep hills with its powerful all-wheel drive system. Just set your schedule through the app, and it automatically keeps your lawn perfectly trimmed without any effort. It's like having a personal landscaper working 24/7, making yard maintenance smarter, easier, and completely hands-free. Scrub. Daddy Grill Cleaner. Think cleaning a greasy grill has to be a messy, frustrating job? Think again. The Scrub Daddy Grill Cleaner uses an innovative bristle-free design that works with nothing more than water and the heat from your grill to create powerful steam that loosens stubborn grease and burnt-on food. That means no dangerous wire bristles, no harsh chemicals, and far less scrubbing. In just a few minutes, your grill is ready for the next cookout. It's a simple gadget that makes grilling safer, faster, and a whole lot easier. Once you try it, there's no going back. GaN Charging Station. If your desk is covered in chargers and tangled cables, this gadget is about to change everything. The GaN Charging Station packs incredible power into one compact hub, letting you charge your laptop, smartphone, tablet, earbuds, and more, all at the same time. Thanks to advanced GaN technology, it delivers faster charging while staying cooler and more efficient than traditional chargers. Many models even feature a real-time display showing the power output of each port, so you always know exactly what's happening. It's the ultimate upgrade for a cleaner, smarter, and more organized workspace. ZAPO Fast Charger. Why carry multiple chargers when one compact device can handle everything? The ZAPO Fast Charger packs an incredible 370 watts of power, making it easy to charge your laptop, smartphone, tablet, gaming handheld, and other devices all at the same time. Built-in retractable USB-C cables keep your desk clean and eliminate cable clutter, while wireless charging adds even more convenience. Despite its powerful performance, it's surprisingly compact and perfect. For travel or everyday use, if you're tired of fighting over outlets or carrying a bag full of chargers, this is the all-in-one upgrade you've been waiting for. Laser Show Projector. Imagine turning any room into a professional light show in just a few seconds. The Laser Show Projector lets you create stunning laser effects, animated graphics, and music-synced light displays, all from a compact device that fits in your backpack. Using a simple mobile app, you can customize colors, patterns, and animations for parties, events, gaming rooms, or content creation. Despite its small size, the visuals are bright, sharp, and incredibly eye-catching. If you want to impress your friends or make your videos stand out, This is one gadget that delivers a serious wow factor every single time. And that's our list of 12 hidden Amazon gadgets that are actually worth your money. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your pick. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next batch of amazing tech. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.